Did you know that you could press HTV on wood? Well, you can. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create your own custom wood sign for your house using different colors of ThermoFlex HTV. Let's get started. So I've got already some of it pre-weeded already because I didn't want to spend a ton of time weeding for you guys. So I've got about 5 pieces left to weed, and so I'm going to do that and then we'll get to pressing. What I'm doing is some of my pieces are very small and came up actually when I weeded, but ThermoFlex has a sticky liner which allows us to take the pieces off and then just place them back in place on the liner. So when we get to pressing, they'll be in the place that we originally cut them. All right, we're gonna take our piece of wood that has easy weed on this side, all one color, and we're actually gonna press on the other side. So we have 2 signs on one piece of wood. So I'm gonna take my 2 black pieces and I'm gonna line it up and we're gonna press it at 330 degrees for 20 seconds. It's actually 15 seconds, but it's fine. Don't tell anybody. All right, and we're gonna give it just a little bit of time to cool off. And then we're gonna peel slow. Uh-oh. So we did have a piece that came up over here, so we're just gonna put it back on the press and press it for a little bit longer. So we're gonna give it just a little bit more time, and then we're gonna peel slow again. All right, there we go. We've got our black layer down and we're about to start with the colors. For the colors, since there are a bunch of small pieces, we're actually gonna use the mini Walla press. The mini handheld, and for this reason is pressing multiple times on a big press can push out the adhesive from underneath the vinyl since the wood is a hard surface, and we don't want that to happen. So we're actually gonna use the mini press with a little bit lighter pressure and then more designated area and not so broad with our pressure. So when you're pressing, you don't want to move your press while you're pressing. You want to just kind of leave it stagnant. So what I did on this one was I had my pressure down and then I moved, and as you can see, the adhesive behind the vinyl actually started to show and it caused a shift in the design. So as you're pressing with the mini press on wood, make sure that you're staying in one spot where your transfer is or where your vinyl is, and then that allows for the adhesive to stay where you want it to, and then also your vinyl to stay where you want it to. So stay stagnant when you're pressing with the mini press on wood. See, it's as easy as that to put HTV onto wood. So we used all ThermoFlex colors. We pressed at 330 degrees for 15 to 20 seconds for our black layer, and then we used the mini handheld press and did roughly 5 to 7 seconds per press with very light to medium pressure for all of the small pieces. Couple things to note: if you use too much pressure, you'll push out the adhesive from underneath the vinyl and then you'll be able to see it show. Also, when you're using the handheld press, don't press and move, just press. Otherwise, your vinyl will start to shift out of place as to where you pressed it after the adhesive gets warm. If you have any questions about putting HTV on wood, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye.